Alright, I think I deleted enough stuff to make more videos, so here we go. It rained yesterday, and this is what happened. My other videos cut off, so I've been sitting here deleting everything, trying to make new videos. And I did it, so here we are. Pretty impressed with all this. You can't really tell all the work we did now that it's rained and everything, but it's pretty sweet. It's gonna be pretty sweet for the RC cars and my bike. Alright, let's get back to the stream. Try to get most of it before the video cuts out again. I love it when it rains here. Alright, last spot, which I think is the coolest. Got a little mini island right there. Yeah, that's a good shot right there. Yeah. And there it is, guys. I'm gonna make another video now. See if it looks better than this one. But if it doesn't, then here it is. Alright. Peace.